Infill is the internal structure of your 3D print that supports the outer walls and top layers, playing a key role in determining your print's strength, weight, and material usage. It's not just about filling space, it's about tailoring your print for its intended use. For example, if you're printing a decorative piece where appearance matters more than durability, you can opt for a lower infill density with a simple pattern like grid or honeycomb. This keeps the print light and saves material without compromising too much on surface quality. You could also take it a step further and have no infill or use lightning infill that creates a more hollow print but with internal support to help with top layers. On the other hand, for functional prints that need to withstand stress or mechanical loads, you might choose a higher infill density with stronger patterns such as cubic or gyroid. These patterns distribute force more evenly, increasing the overall strength of the part. With Bambu Slicer, we can modify the infill settings to allow for different densities in different areas of the model. Ultimately, the correct infill choice depends on balancing print time, material consumption, and the mechanical requirements of your specific application. Experimenting with different infill settings can help you find the perfect balance for any project. In our next video, we will learn to fine-tune wall settings for optimal strength.